Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear student. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. You are at home now, but your progress is needed to do well in the next exam when your exam will be held. So our school, Shiasganj Power Development Board Secondary School, has taken a necessary steps to continue online class. So welcome to my class. I am going to introduce you Muhammad Abdur Razzaq, Assistant Teacher, Shiasganj Power Development Board Secondary School. Today I will take class in class 8, English second paper, topic article. Follow the pictures and text. This is a cow. This is a book. It is an egg. It is an elephant. The earth is round. The Mount Everest. The moon gives us light. The scenery is very nice. So dear student, can you guess what will be our today's lesson? Our today's lesson is article. Learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, we will be able to define article, classify article, use of article a and the properly learn special use of articles. So dear student, first of all question, what is article? Article oblique determiner A and the. So the definition is the word which is used to indicate the definiteness or indefiniteness of a noun is called article. Many of us told that a and they is called article. Classification of article. Two types of articles, definite, indefinite. Definite means the and indefinite means an. So definite article is used to particularize a noun. Indefinite article is used to generalize a noun. Let's learn the using of a, an, and the. Number one rule, if the first letter of any word is consonant, a will be used before that words. pen. This is a pen. P is consonant. This is a child. C consonant. More examples: a boy, a man, a book, a cat, a chair, a dog, a horse, a lion, a mango, a student, a woman, a table, a tiger, a tree. Number 2 rules. If the first letter of any word is vowel, N will be used before that words. This is an I. The word I, the first letter is vowel, so N has been lifted. It is an apple. It is an apple. A is vowel, so N has been given to this answer. NS. There are more examples such as NS, NN, an ugly girl, an R, an egg, an air, an orange, an elephant, an inkpot, an ice cream, an idiot, an ox, an onion, an umbrella. She is dash university student. She is dash university student. A. Though the first letter vowel, but the pronoun is U. So A has been given to this answer. Give me dash 1 taka note. Although O is vowel, but the pronoun is wa. So A has been given to this answer. The rule is A is used before the sound of U and wa. There are more examples: a European, a union, a uniform, a useful thing, a unique plan, a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed man. Rule number 4. There is a man and he is dash honest man. Ace is silent. So honest and has been given the answer. He is dash MA. He is an MA. Though the M is consonant, but there is a hidden for A. So N has been given to this answer. N is used before the sound of vowel and silent A's. There are more examples. An hour is silent, an honorable is silent, an MBBS, an MP, an LLB, an MLA, an SDO, an SSC. But if the word oblique letter is consonant, but the pronoun has been hidden for A, their answer will be N. But if A is not indicated, there will be answer for A, such as A BA, A BSc, A BCom. Rule number 5, special use of A. A is used before the scenery of the sense of a person. You are a Nozrul, I see. A Nozrul is indicate the common, so it is not proper noun. It is means for common noun, and there is a sense of a person, so A has been given to this answer. The superlative most when it means very. It is a most wonderful sight. So most is very. Indicate for very. So there is a number 6. A couple of Bangladesh. He bought a dozen balls. A is used before number and measurable word. Couple, dozen, score, 100, million, etc. Number 7. The pens write well. The man is very expert. The is used before the definite singular and plural nouns. The sun rises in the east. The sky is cloudy. So the rule is the is used something before unique oblique universal. Number 9. The Chinese are industrious. The lion is the king of forest. This used before the whole caste, nation, oblique folk. Number 10. He reads the Holy Quran daily. He reads the daily Jonakantha. The is used before epic, oblique holy book, oblique newspaper. The Buriganga, the Bay of Bengal, the Himalayas. The is used before river, mountain, sea, ocean, forest, islands, hill and desert. Rule number 12. The is used before ship, aeroplane and train. The Boeing 747 landed. The Upakul Express. Rule number 13. The is used before definite material, oblique abstract noun. The charity of Mother Teresa. The gold of this ring is pure. Rule number 14. The 26th March is Independence Day. He is the first boy in the class. So the rule is the is used before ordinal number and date. Rule number 15. The is used before superlative degree. He is the greatest leader in Bangladesh. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. It is the cheapest dish on the menu. Rule number 16. Some instrument has been given. Number the Ikhtara. The violin. The drum. The guitar. The is used before musical instrument. Dear student, you have known some rules about article and there is a passage to give you for correction. So, dear student, correct the errors of the following sentence. Raisha is an meritorious student. She lives in a town. She studies in an renowned school, Sriasganj Power Development Board Secondary School by name. Her father is a MA and mother is a BCom. She is a best girl in her class. She tries to speak English like an English. Dear student, about article, and there are some errors of the sentences. So try to understand and correct them. Then you will see the answer. Correction. Raisha is a meritorious student. She lives in a town. She studies in a renowned school, Sriasganj Power Development Board Secondary School by name. Her father is an MA and mother is a BCom. She is the best girl in her class. She tries to speak English like the English. Dear student, I am going to evaluate you. Number one, there are some sentences and try to understand and give me answer. Number one, he is dash European. A European. Number two, he thinks he is dash Shakespeare. Answer is a Shakespeare. Number three, it is dash import. Answer is it is an import. Number four, I need dash umbrella. I need an umbrella. Number five, she drew a picture. Number six, Rafi reads dash Ittefaq daily. Rafi reads the Ittefaq daily. Dash Japanese are industrious. Answer is the Japanese are industrious. Dear student, you have known some rules about articles and also practiced. Practice some rules, and I am going to give you homework. Fill in the blanks with A oblique N oblique D. Ratan is dash student of class 7. His father is dash MBBS and mother is dash BA. His elder brother is dash university student. He helps dash 4. He always speak dash truth. He is dash noblest person in his family. He has dash pet cat called Pussy. So dear student, try to answer given homework. Thanks for all. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.